Alright, so we're going to play a new game. My opponent plays knight to f3. I'm going to go ahead and mirror it. Just going to wait and see what he wants to do. He wants to play that. Okay, I'm going to play e6. And I think this might transposition to some kind of queen's gambit. Declined. Okay, I'm going to play simple chess and just focus on my development. Simple principles. The opening is not my favorite part of the game. It requires a lot of memorization, so I tend to stick to principles. Right, I probably should have done this, no? I mean, I still can, right? If I go here, he goes here, I go here. Oh no, wait. I feel like I've messed this up already somehow, right? Oh, I mean, I can just play d6, right? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna play d6. I'm gonna get less space, but it's okay. Oh, that is a weird move. That is a strange move, because it's in front of the pawn, and I think I want to play c5. I can castle now at any moment, but I do want to play c5, get my knight out, and I like that juicy d4 square. He's just... yeah. Let's do it. Let's play c5. Control that square. And maybe I can put my knight in there eventually. Alright, so he gets some space on the queen side, which gives him a backwards pawn here. I don't want to play a5 because I'm going to give him this like forever. So I think I want to play here. But that's not really necessary at the moment, is it? I don't think so. And any breaks, I can just play b6. And actually, I might want to play b6 and fianchetto my bishop to make that bishop kind of useful. It would make sense of this here. I don't know how much sense my thinking makes, but... so I'm thinking b6 now, but then he's going to play here. I can't take because this, right? So I need to develop things first. I'm thinking knight d2 here, right? Yeah, I'm going to play knight d2. If he's going to castle, I'm going to castle. Then I'm going to try play b6 and try grab the long diagonal. Man, this guy is playing so weird. Okay, I get it. He's going to have great bishops and maybe he's going to have this, right? But there's something still I don't like about it. He wants this. Let's say takes and takes the knight. I mean, if I go here, he goes here. I can kick him out, so that's no problems. And we're both kind of delaying castling, right? And I don't want to play e5 to hold on to that square anymore. Maybe a smart decision would have been to put my knight here, and then if he goes here, let's say, then takes, and then I have a beautiful center. But okay, let's play b6. I want to take this long diagonal, and if he wants to play here, so be it. Okay, let's go ahead and castle. He castles, I castle. He's playing very fast, but so am I. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so he does break, and I think it's necessary for him to break. Now, let's see. If I take, he's going to take, let's say I develop. It's fine. It's actually fine. I have a lovely bishop. He has a little bit more space, but I think it's fine. Yes, he has very, he does have very good bishops, to be honest. And this is where I'm kind of considering, like, should I play here eventually just to block out this light squared bishop? But okay. I'm thinking takes. Can I go here? Takes. Not yet, but if I don't take, he's gonna go here. Takes, and my light square bishop will be almost forever locked out, because he has this thing. So I have to take, right? I think I have to take. But the thing about my setup is that I feel like it's solid. Yes, I have less space, but like, look at his. Okay, his king is safe, but what's this guy doing? This guy and this guy and this guy. It feels a little bit scattered to me, and when the dust settles, I think I will have a little bit more of a sort of space advantage. Sorry, not space advantage. I think you know what I mean, though. Moves that are coming to me is here and here. Here also protects this, which is good, but also attacks this, which is really good. I might want to play here first because, yeah, that's the thing. I don't know if I play here, he might play f4, just disallowing me to go here and trying to do something. So, but if I play here, let's say he plays here, what do I do? You know. So I think bishop here is the move, right? And maybe push, but yeah, f4. That's what I was thinking too. Because if he plays here, takes. Okay, that doesn't work for now, but it might in the future. I'm gonna go ahead. I think maybe with the queen to protect this a little bit more, but also attack this, right? And mobilize my queen in some way, just to make it a little bit more active and complete the development of my position. So I would say I'm quite passive. He has a lot of like energy in the position. I've kind of allowed him to get more space. But if it doesn't work out for him, it is a little bit loose for him. This pawn is almost forever a backward pawn. Okay, he moves the king, which I don't really understand. I really don't understand. Now, he can go here with the knight, but I don't think that's too much of a big deal because this pawn is hanging, right? I don't quite understand why this guy, one, put his king in line with probably my most powerful piece, and two, why he didn't defend this pawn. I really... Okay, I take, he goes here, right? I go back, let's say, well, actually, I'm sort of forced to go back either here or here, and let's say he supports the knight with the bishop here. I'm simply just going to kick the knight out, right? So I think I do get a free pawn. And any tactics of this, back, and takes doesn't work. There's no forks, there's no checks, there's no nothing. So I think I can safely take this pawn. And now I can maybe play one of my rooks to the c file here. And maybe do some damage. But I have to kind of... He's gonna... Okay. Okay. I was gonna say he's gonna get quite a bit of activity, and he can, he can kick around my queen a little bit, maneuver for the price of that pawn. But I'm not just gonna take. I'm not gonna take this. I'm really not gonna take it. I'm gonna take this as an opportunity to close down the center. I think to close down his light square bishop. And yes, it closes down my light square bishop, but at least it puts pressure on this pawn. Whereas he is just a tall pawn. But if I take, I'm going to just activate his position, right? One drawback of pushing, though, is that, okay, he's going to go somewhere. I do give him the d5 square with the knight. But that's sufficiently protected, where at the moment it should be fine. Although I do give myself a backward pawn as well. So it's kind of like... but I mean, I could push this maybe. So let's say push here, and maybe I can even push, right? Open up the position a little bit, get my rook on the d file in front of the queen, something like that. So I am liking that. And I do have 4 minutes. He has 9 minutes, so I have to stop talking. And again, I'm only 1800, but I hope my thinking makes sense. I hope I'm not overthinking. I hope I'm not when you learn new concepts, you want to, put them to use, but you never know. Okay, so he does go with the knight there. That's actually really annoying. I didn't really consider that. The thing is, this is now attacked, right? Right, okay, so I think I might need to go here. I don't see a way to defend this again. I mean, I can go here, and maybe we can hold. I can push this out. He goes back here. I'm between two minds of pushing. Yes, I say push, takes, takes. And it opens up my bishop too. You know, and if he doesn't take, I can even push or even take, right? Now let's see if he pushes and he goes here. Let's see, I go here. Takes, 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 takes. I don't think that works because he can get another attacker slash defender on that pawn. Unfortunately, I don't think that works. Although there's like a back rank issue, right? If I go here, he goes here. No, I gotta move my queen, and it's just I don't think it works. So okay, so I think I have to go here and kick the knight out. I think that's my other only option. So let's go ahead and put the knight there. And look, if he goes here, takes, takes, pawn is there. I don't know. I move my. I don't know. But yeah. Alright, that's a weird move. I get it. I get it, but I was not planning to move my knight. Now, I'm going to take this opportunity to kick the knight out. And the knight is being kicked to a very awkward square. It's not a great square to be kicked out. And now maybe I can move this knight here and put pressure on that pawn. It is a backwards pawn. Because if I don't do that now, right, he's going to play here and just play against my knight. So I'm pretty sure I have to play this move. And now look, boom, 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 on this weak backwards pawn, right? And he does not have sufficient defense. So I think I should be winning this pawn, but there might be some fancy moves with something. But I am up a pawn, which is good. But I am down 6 minutes. Alright, he defends. I don't think he has enough defenders. Takes, takes, takes. That's the thing. My queen is in front of the bishop, so I can't really take that, which is annoying. So, can I go here, though? No, because this hangs after takes. So maybe I can get my... Ooh, wait. This is a threat. I might have... If I play here, he goes here. Ooh. Let's say I go here. He pushes. What can I do? I can't take this. Can I push now? Takes, 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 takes. And then he ends up taking this, and then he wins the pawn back, right? Okay, so let's move the rook. He's going to play. I just don't like that. And then where do I move? And then he's going to have a... I might have to... You know, I might have to... If I play here, he moves the knight back, attacking this. And then I can push. Takes. Takes and take. This is an issue. I have 50 seconds left. What about this? Takes, takes. Wait. Here, takes, takes, knight takes. No, that's not good. Ooh, I think I put myself in a bit of a pickle. What about this? And this? I don't know what to do. Do you know what? I'm going to do this and then just move the knight back. Maybe maneuver it somewhere. I don't know. I have 42 seconds left. And you know what? I might lose this game. I feel like I'm doing very good though, you know? But I might lose this game. Oh, he took away an attacker of this. So can I not just take this? Take, take. No? Yeah. Man, that's such a weird move. Right, let's go ahead and take that pawn. What is he thinking? There's some kind of a check or something? No, there's nothing happening here. Yeah, strange move. Very strange move. Now, I'm up 2 pawns. Alright, so... Can he go here? I don't know. Let's just do it of 30 seconds. I can't think. No, he can't go here, right? Because the queen. And now I'm kind of like threatening this and then a checkmate, right? Or even this, actually. I'm... Okay, let's see. If I check here, he's gonna take. How can I distract that queen from this? That's my question. Maybe I can go here. Oh, I really like that, actually. Let's go here. 17 seconds. I can't think. Let's rely on my intuition, because I want to go here. He goes here. I don't know. Check, take, and have 2 bishop. I don't know. 17 seconds. Let's go. All right. Oh! Fork. Fantastic. But can I convert? Yes. Okay, he resigned. He said, good game, well played. I'm not so sure I would have been able to convert in like 19 seconds. But okay, let's have a look at the analysis really quickly. Opening, I think I should have played this here now, because I really did allow him to play that. I think that was my... Let's see what it's saying. Yeah. Because otherwise, I actually already gave him advantage. And then I was forced to play like really passively. Okay, so I played good. Yeah, here, actually, instead of knight here, I was focused on this plan, not getting in the way of the bishop, but really I should have just gone here and tried to get a good center. Let's say if he castles, is it... Yeah, okay, no, I don't understand anything about chess. Takes. Yeah, these are good moves. Yeah, and he just blundered a pawn for some reason. I really do not understand why. Yeah, closing up the position was the idea. I wonder why. Can he not take this? Because I take... Let's say he takes... There is that back rank mate. I saw it later on. I was like, you know, if this queen wasn't there, like, I can take this, right? But I actually didn't see that it's a mate in one. Back rank issue. Okay, so I probably should have seen that. It wanted me to push here, and I saw that move, but, I mean, takes, and takes. Oh my goodness. I'm just not seeing these x-rays. This is just... Because then... Man. Okay, so let's look at the analysis. Oh my god, I actually made only one mistake, which was here. And the move was supposed to be to take advantage of that situation. Because if he goes... Oh, sorry. If he goes here and I takes, and if he goes here, then this goes. Which is absolutely fantastic. So, one mistake. I'm very happy about that. 93% accuracy. So I suppose that thought process works.